Welcome back to Midnight Signal AI. Today is March 3rd, 2026, and we're here to catch you up on the latest in AI from the past 24 hours. Coming up, a new video-to-text transcription app hits the scene, an AI-powered IDE for assembly language coders, a biologically inspired memory system for agents, and Cisco's big move in open-source AI security. Plus, AI for resumes, data analysis, and even StarCraft 2 coaching. Let's dive in. Our lead story today: a Hacker News user just launched Video to Text, a web app that lets you upload videos and get instant transcriptions with speaker diarization. It's designed for reliability, handling long files by extracting audio first before running transcription. The developer says the focus has been on stability and clear failure handling. Paid users can upload multiple files, and there's a history dashboard that auto-refreshes as jobs run. The project's called videototext.tools, and it's already grabbing attention for its no-fuss workflow.
What's notable here is that video transcription has become a crowded space, but reliability and usability remain pain points. Most tools choke on long files or fail quietly. Prioritizing clear error reporting and robust audio extraction is smart. Also, speaker diarization, identifying who's speaking, is a huge value add for interviews or meetings.
Exactly. And the history page that auto-refreshes is a small touch that makes a big usability difference. If this app can consistently handle lengthy uploads and clearly communicate progress or errors, it could carve out a niche among journalists, researchers, and podcasters frustrated with less stable tools.
It'll be interesting to see if they open up the API or keep it just as a web app for now. Either way, the focus on reliability over flashy features feels like the right move in this space.
Switching gears, a new AI-powered IDE for assembly language just dropped on Hacker News. It's called AsmForge, and it's open source, built on Eclipse Theia. AsmForge targets low-level devs, embedded programmers, firmware engineers, OS hackers, and security researchers. Not only does it support multiple assemblers like NASM and GAS, but it also bakes in AI assistance via Claude 3.5 for code explanations and optimizations. There's LSP autocomplete, visual GDB debugging, and it runs in the browser or as a desktop app.
Assembly devs have been kind of left out of the modern IDE revolution, so this could be a big deal. The AI angle is especially clever. Assembly is notoriously hard to debug and optimize, so having a model on hand for explanations might save hours. Open source and MIT licensed also means it could see quick community uptake.
On the agent side, there's OpenPawz Engram, a biologically inspired memory architecture for AI agents. According to their Hacker News post, it's designed to help AI agents remember and retrieve information more like animals do, focusing on context and relevance rather than just storing tons of text. It's open source and aimed at making agents more adaptable.
This is a fascinating direction. Most AI agents today have short-term memory or rely on simple context windows, but as soon as you want them to act over days or weeks, they forget everything. Taking cues from biology, like how mammals encode and retrieve memories, could make agents way more useful and less brittle in real-world use.
Right, and it's another sign the community is moving past just stacking bigger models and towards smarter architectures. If OpenPawz Engram works as advertised, it could be a template for a new generation of longer-lived, more capable agents. In security news, Cisco has donated its project CodeGuard to the Coalition for Secure AI, as reported by Oasis Open. CodeGuard is focused on protecting AI systems from supply chain attacks and ensuring model integrity. By donating it to an open coalition, Cisco is hoping to foster more collaboration around securing the AI ecosystem.
Open sourcing security tools for AI is a smart move, especially as models become more widely distributed and integrated into critical systems. Supply chain attacks are a real threat, and having industry-wide transparent tools can only help. It also signals that the big players are taking AI security seriously beyond just their own stacks.
Back to tools, there's a new AI-powered resume builder called AsmForge that's all about optimizing for applicant tracking systems, or ATS. Most resumes get filtered by software before a human ever sees them. AsmForge gives you a live ATS compatibility scores you edit, uses AI to generate summaries and bullet points, and doesn't require a sign-up to try. It's free to build, with a small one-time fee for PDF and Word downloads.
The ATS filter problem is so real. Fancy templates often get mangled or ignored by these bots. Real-time feedback on ATS score is a killer feature, and the AI-generated summaries lower the barrier for people who struggle with self-promotion. I also like the no sign-up approach for privacy.
Another show Hacker News, CSV Analyzer. It's a drag-and-drop tool for uploading CSV data. instantly generating stats, interactive charts, and AI-powered insights in plain English. The creator is an analytics manager who finally shipped their first side project, and pricing is free for small files or $2 for larger AI analysis.
This is a great example of AI making basic data analysis more accessible. Not everyone knows how to wrangle data in Excel or Python, but most people have spreadsheets. The instant insights and charting, plus explanations in regular language, are going to help a lot of non-technical users.
For the gamers, someone built a StarCraft 2 replay rendering engine and AI coach. It parses replay files to visualize unit movement and actions in an isometric view, then runs large language models on the replay data to extract strategy insights and metrics. The goal is to make game analysis accessible outside of the StarCraft client.
That's super cool. StarCraft 2 has always been a benchmark for AI research, but even for regular players, automated breakdowns and strategy tips could level up their game. And building the replay visualizer from scratch shows how far these tooling ecosystems have come.
And before we go, a quick mention. Cisco's CodeGuard isn't the only open source action today. There's also a project called DexCode, an AI slide creation environment for developers, and Pent, a sandbox for AI agents. Both are in early stages, but showcase the explosion of niche AI tools that are popping up daily.
It's wild. Just a few years ago, you had to roll your own everything if you wanted to combine AI and developer tooling. Now, whether it's code, data, memory, or even presentations, there's probably an open source AI project for it.
That's all for today's roundup. If you want to dig deeper, check the episode notes for links to all the projects we mentioned. As always, you can find us wherever you get your podcasts. That's your signal. See you next time.